right, guys, time for some morning chores, and these turkeys are being turkeys and calling me and saying, hello, we're hungry. They have plenty of water, but I gotta move them, and they want to eat. And I hear the pigs also in the background. They want to eat. So let's get moving. Turkey, turkey. And these birds are getting big. Come on, guys. Move forward. Move forward. Come on, turn around. There you go. You know the drill. You know the drill. Isn't that a pretty feather? So pretty. I keep their food in the pen with them since there's room, and then the mice can't get it. I just had to shimmy their food so that it came down where they could eat it. And I need to clean this out. So that's that. I always forget my egg basket. And this is, we keep a bowl in the house for pigs and chickens to feed them. So we always have a little something for them from our dinner the night before, or during the day when we're prepping food, especially when we're canning or something like that. We have a lot of food for them. You can see I sprayed the weeds around here with vinegar, and it's working really well. And over here as well. Probably just got to give them another spray, but anywhere where the sun hits something a lot, that vinegar spray works the best. So. Oh. She's got a little blood on her bum. She pricked her bum on something. I hope it's not from the house. You guys see that? Best time to come in to a pig pen is while they're eating something. This is what I'm spraying on her. I'm noticing a couple injury on Reba. I'll look in her pen a minute and see if there's anything that I can recognize that may be causing those injuries. I've never seen anything like that. It kind of looks like she came across something sharp. So I sprayed her off before I did that. Okay, I don't see anything sharp in there. So I don't know what she got those injuries from. But at least we got a little spray on it. Some blue coat. I might have to go to just make sure that those heal. Even if they don't heal or they're pussy of any way, then we'll try something out. We'll go to Rural King and see what they have for wounds for pigs. I didn't see anything in their house at all that could have caused that. So, weird. I had to take care of those chickens. I'm glad I saw that. Give it a little spray of water. 2 chickens out. That's not good. Means I need to cut some feathers. Barney, you wait over here. Okay. Gotta get my duck water, which is totally dry. Now ducks have to have this kind of water because, or a pond of some kind, to keep their sinus system clean. Otherwise they get infections. So I like to keep a bowl that I clean out every day for them. Put a little bit in there because we only have 500 gallons and I have a garden to take care of too, that we can work with in a 24-hour period. Our well only runs like half a gallon a minute, and so it runs low really quick. We've run it out of water a few times, so we're working on a system, a rain catchment system to do for that, to supplement our water because it's just not working out. Plus the water that we get from the well is really super hard and is destroying stuff in our house, like our dishwasher doesn't run anymore and stuff like that. So it's a mix. Too late in the season to be hatching eggs, sweetheart. Yeah. You need to go eat some protein. Get some more feathers on your back. Yeah. Ow! I took all the eggs. I just want to get that poop out of here. I don't like poop in the nest boxes. Yeah, you be nice to me. Be nice to me, Missy. And of course, some chickens just can't make it into the box. So we are starting to get more eggs. Oh, great. Let's see if I can get these chickens in. Come on, Mama. Come on. There we go. There we go. I know, you need a little more food. So the problem with this little chicken here, it's probably a rooster. And so Fred and Barney won't let him in there. And it's hard to catch. Yes, I can catch him right here. Ha! Aha! There we go. I can put you up into a safe place. We can put you up into a safe place. What do you do? I had him in there before and he got out on me. Let me see if I have a brush to clean that out. Pigs already had eggs from the house this morning. I always give them a couple eggs, like one each. But they also had a lot of scraps today, so they really didn't need the eggs I gave them, but that's okay. You never know what you're going to run into on the homestead. Either a chicken's out, pig's got an injury, who knows? There's always something new in these vlogs that we can learn about. And help me learn. Help me learn. I've been doing this for years. There's room for growth and learn. So if you have a comment to make, please feel free to make that comment, even if it's you shouldn't use that stuff on him, or you shouldn't do this, or you shouldn't do that. Those are welcome too, as long as they're done in a nice manner, let's just say that. So as long as you're peaceful about it, those are always welcome. So God bless you. We'll see you next time here on Hedgehog's Homestead. And remember, don't live in fear, because God's in control. Bye.